Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to explore timeless principles that can guide us on our path to success, fulfillment, and wisdom. These principles are not mere words, they are keys to unlocking our potential and shaping our destiny. Allow me to guide you through these profound lessons that can transform our lives. There is profound wisdom in knowing when to fight and when to stand aside. In every aspect of our lives, we face conflicts, challenges, and obstacles. But not all battles are worth fighting. It takes a discerning mind to recognize which conflicts demand our energy and which are better left unengaged. Think of a chess grandmaster, calculating every move, knowing when to advance and when to retreat. This is the art of strategy, the ability to see the bigger picture and make choices that lead to victory, not defeat. In our personal lives, this might mean knowing when to speak up and when to remain silent, when to push forward and when to hold back. Choosing our battles wisely can save us from unnecessary stress, preserve our energy, and position us for success. Words can inspire, but actions transform. True leadership is not about eloquence, it's about execution. It's about showing up, taking responsibility, and leading by example. Imagine a leader who speaks about integrity but behaves dishonestly. Such inconsistency between words and deeds erodes trust and undermines leadership. Contrast this with a leader who leads with actions, who embodies the values they preach, who demonstrates their commitment through tangible deeds. Whether in our professional lives or personal relationships, let us strive to be leaders who lead with actions. Let our deeds speak our truth, and we will inspire others to follow. Our reputation is more than what others think of us. It's a reflection of who we are. It's built on our actions, our choices, our integrity, and like a delicate fabric, it can easily be torn. A single act of dishonesty can shatter trust that took years to build. A single misstep can cast a shadow over our reputation. It is our duty to guard it with care, to live in a way that reflects our values, to make choices that we can stand by. Our reputation is not just about how we are seen by others, but how we see ourselves. Let us strive to build a reputation that we can be proud of, one that reflects our true character. Our enemies, our rivals, our critics, they are not just obstacles, they are opportunities. They can be mirrors reflecting truths about ourselves that we might otherwise overlook. It's easy to dismiss those who oppose us, to ignore their criticism, to shut them out. But what if we chose to listen? What if we looked for the truth in their words, the lessons in their opposition? In business, understanding your competitors can lead to innovation and growth. In personal development, embracing criticism can lead to self-improvement and resilience. Let us learn to use our enemies as mirrors to see what they reflect about ourselves and to grow from what we discover. Patience is more than just waiting. It's strategic timing. It's the ability to see beyond the immediate and understand the long term. It's the wisdom to know when to act and when to wait. In a world that often demands instant results, patience can seem out of place. But think of the oak tree, which takes decades to reach its full glory. Think of the masterpieces of art, which took years of painstaking effort. Your dreams, your goals, your ambitions, they need time to flourish. Rushing towards them can lead to mistakes, burnout, and failure. But with patience, with strategic waiting, you can nurture them into reality. To observe is not just to see, but to understand. It's the ability to notice what others overlook, to find meaning in the mundane, to uncover opportunities hidden in plain sight. Great innovators, thinkers, and leaders have been masters of observation. They saw what others missed, and they transformed their insights into innovations, solutions, and success. In your life, strive to see beyond the obvious. Look deeper, think broader, and you will discover paths that others have missed. Observation is a skill that can be cultivated. Practice it, and you will unlock untold possibilities. The conquest of self is perhaps the greatest victory we can achieve. Many pursue power through control over others, yet true empowerment comes from mastering oneself. Your thoughts, emotions, habits, these are the realms that require our domination. To conquer oneself is to gain a command that no external force can ever take away. It's about recognizing our weaknesses and turning them into strengths. Self-mastery is not about suppression, it's about transformation. It's a continuous journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Embrace this path and you will rule your destiny. Water is the symbol of adaptability. It flows, it changes, it takes the shape of whatever contains it. Yet it's powerful enough to carve canyons and move mountains. In life, we often face obstacles that seem impassable. Rigid thinking, inflexible strategies, these can lead to stagnation and failure. But if we can learn to adapt, to flow like water, we can find ways around, over, and through these obstacles. Emulating the fluidity of water means being open to change, ready to evolve, and willing to learn. It's an approach that encourages creativity, innovation, and resilience. Adopt this mindset, and no obstacle will be insurmountable. Loyalty is a treasure. In a world filled with fleeting connections, genuine loyalty stands as a beacon of trust and companionship. But it must be balanced with caution. Not all who stand by you share your path or vision. Trusting blindly can lead to betrayal and disappointment. It's essential to recognize the difference between loyalty and mere allegiance, between those who are with you and those who are merely near you. Cherish loyalty, but do so with discernment. Know who truly supports you, who genuinely shares your journey, and invest in those relationships. Trust with caution, and your path will be fortified with true allies. Every great achievement starts with a dream, a seed of ambition. It's the spark that ignites the fire of passion, the desire that drives us to strive, to grow, to achieve. But like any seed, your ambitions need nurturing. They need care, attention, diligence. They need the right environment, the proper nourishment, the loving touch. Think of your ambitions as a garden. Plant them in fertile soil, water them with determination, prune them with wisdom, and protect them from the weeds of doubt and negativity. A carefully cultivated dream can grow into an empire, a legacy, a life that inspires others. Commit to nurturing your ambitions, and you will see them blossom into realities that surpass your wildest dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, we have explored principles that are timeless and universal. They are not mere theories, but practical tools to enhance our lives, our relationships, our careers. Choosing our battles, leading with actions, guarding our reputation, learning from our enemies, embracing patience, mastering ourselves, adapting like water, cherishing loyalty, and nurturing our ambitions. These are not just words. They are a roadmap to a life of success, fulfillment, wisdom, and empowerment. But the journey doesn't end here. These principles are not a destination, but a continuous path. Each day offers us new opportunities to apply these lessons, to grow, to evolve, to become the best version of ourselves. I invite you to take these principles to heart, to reflect on them, to practice them. Make them part of your daily life, and you will see transformations that go beyond mere success. You will discover a life that resonates with purpose, meaning, joy, and profound contentment. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May these principles guide you, inspire you, and empower you to reach heights you never thought possible. Thank you.